In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bangs in DuckDuckGo. Bangs are quick shortcuts that let you search a specific website right from DuckDuckGo, saving you time and clicks. Instead of searching the web and then clicking into a site, you jump straight to that site's search results for your query. It's simple, fast, and you don't have to turn anything on. Bangs work automatically. First, open your browser and go to DuckDuckGo.com. If DuckDuckGo is already set as your default search engine, you can simply use the address bar and skip visiting the site directly. Either way, you're going to type your search right where you normally would. In the search box, type an exclamation mark, the site keyword, then a space, and finally, your search terms. It looks like this: exclamation mark, keyword, space, your terms. For example, you could type, "But you ate a Lovelace," to search Wikipedia for Ada Lovelace, cooking tutorials to search YouTube, or a wireless mouse to search Amazon. The exclamation mark and the keyword go together with no space between them, and then you add a space before your search terms. Case doesn't matter, and you can use the same kind of phrases you'd normally use on that site. When you're ready, press enter. Instead of seeing a regular DuckDuckGo results page, you'll be taken straight to the search results on the site you chose. That's the power of bangs. One quick command, and you're exactly where you want to be. If nothing happens, or you land on a normal DuckDuckGo results page, double-check that you included the exclamation mark, spelled the keyword correctly, and left a space before your search terms. Some sites have multiple bang options, and a few sites may not have a bang at all, so trying a different keyword can help. If DuckDuckGo isn't your default search engine, make sure you're typing into the search box at DuckDuckGo.com rather than another search bar. A few tips to keep things smooth. Think of bangs as a shortcut to a site's own search box. Use them when you already know which site you want to search, and you'll cut out extra steps. Keep your keywords concise and your search terms clear. And remember, you don't need to learn every bang to benefit. Just a handful of your favorites can speed up your everyday browsing. That's it. Go to DuckDuckGo or use your address bar, type the bang keyword followed by your search terms, and press enter to jump straight to the results you need.